and welcome to ISTV English News. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur commits yet another blunder. Class 12 students given question papers with the answers printed on them. The Class 12 examination currently underway in the state, organized by the Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, has committed yet another mistake. Class 12 students appearing in the exam received question papers with answers printed on them as well. A press meet was held today at Desam office. Students who are appearing in the Class 12 examination from the EK Center said today they had engineering or drawing subject. When they looked into the question papers, they found that the question papers also had answers printed. After the teachers realized the mistake, all the question sheets were taken back by the teachers. The students said the mistake committed by the council is very discouraging. They appealed to the council not to repeat such mistakes again.
Exam si pungkai muksa thara matung da question si piro na moin lausan si answer yauram me si answer yauram me question khuding mak answer yauram me question amani soi bo iram dar ga de khare do question khuding mak answer yauram me yauram matung da answer lausan kre ko ji exam si tha dre sa ko ba sa punsi gi asuk ko exam si da sumaina asuk ngai ta thodu si thoi si ngai te ai tare satra sing da adu na ikon council ma thak ta ni si de full mark si pi ro ngasi subject si ge exam si matung mak than birano si subject si goina exam si pura full mark mai pi.
Desam Secretary A. Thoi Thoi said in the past mistakes in question papers have occurred. He said the 87 students are appearing in the engineering drawing subject. He said Desam does not take the incident lightly. He appealed to the authorities not to commit such mistakes again, which is discouraging to the students. He said the authorities should take action against those responsible for the mistakes.
Question da with answer yauram me na akoi angang sing degi exam thaba ho matung na kanu toroga akoi yang question ge lokatana kotana toroga kanu to basi masi council gi side gi ji thoina ga su khalam da be hai tar hai badi suma problem tho ga su moi da man halaga ai de exam jang man halaga kanu to bi ai ko be ai khalam be adu ra ga su akoi gi kanu PDCD awa PDCD satra ni hai tar maram de ngasi na loiba na te ba pekha sa man pekha myam le matang da pekha subject myam le re masi gi moi da preparation to da do ngasi gi exam sai gi smaina sum problem thobusin na maram waraga akoi matung ta ba subject sing da akoi hona ning da bagi ai tar moi da psycho threat ai gadra adu nwai ta ba film ma phone bagi pochin na maram waraga makha ta ba subject sing da su masi gano tor kani hai tar moi da pra hai ba di potama me kapanga moroi da potama le horne hai tar masi khwaidi asoi basi masi council na masi yam section na tor magati masugumba problem je tho moi masugumba problem je masi amona thok ta na bai tar masi council na nem hori ba subject sing do yam section na examination question sing ga no sing je phasane yengsan view aduga masi gi hakheng na na masi de scenario ba hai tar masugumba problem tholi ba je masi hakheng na scenario sing je masi mari le na authority na ai ba sing de matakta sab sana action lokot view hai ba hum duma desam gi site gi thamjari.
A woman set on fire by her husband has been admitted to RIMS in critical condition. The woman has been identified as Sushina Keshing, aged 24. Her husband has been identified as Chomdal Kal from Silchar, currently staying at Nepali Basti, Mantripukri. According to the mother of the victim, on February 27, Sushina and her husband Chandan Kal had a fight, after which Sushina was locked inside a room and was set on fire after pouring kerosene. Sushina's husband, Chandan Kal, has been arrested by Hangang police. A torch rally was held in Thangmaiband, organized by Naharol Laishimba Club, Thangmaiband, Sinam Lekai. The rally was held against drug use and rise in drug trafficking in the state. President of the club, Pratap, said the club has been organizing various programs against the use of illegal drugs. However, the rate of drug use in the state is increasing day by day. He said the club will now be more aggressive in its programs to stop the use of illegal drugs in the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯥꯡꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯏꯌꯥꯔꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯒꯨꯂꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯆꯧ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯋꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯅ ꯅꯤꯁꯀꯥꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯅꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯋꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯁꯤꯟꯖ ꯂꯥꯡꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ.
A sit-in protest was staged by members of SASO, the NGO which works for the rehabilitation of people living with HIV/AIDS and drug abusers. The sit-in protest was held near Shankar Talkies at Lumphale, protesting the monetary demand from underground group KCP Noyon. The NGO received monetary demand on February 13 and was asked by the KCP Noyon group to shut down. General Secretary Saso Y. Shashi said the NGO has been working in the field of drugs and HIV for the past 20 years. He said the monetary demand comes at a time when the NGO is building an orphanage at Langol through contributions. He further said the NGO workers who have dedicated their lives for the betterment of society are demoralized by the monetary demand. He said if the NGO does not function, then its registration might be cancelled as well.
Koi saso oina lamdam sida drug amadi HIV gi lamda lamjaba thabak khana sum tawjaraga lakpasida handa khanghaudana KCP Noyon group ki ni hena takpirappa group yawl group amana aikoida sen gi demand lakpasi khajitang khanthabiraga handopiro na ai thamjaningi aduga aikoina kuire chahi kun muk ki mathakta aikoina lamsida sengna haigadi aikoi khara amadi hana nisa si sirinamaga aikoi phaba khakna kana lamdam sida leiba china maru mapang jat bijat khaidana aikoi nisa si dagi khajitang thapokna amadi ana yek mayambu matin pangnanabai damakta aikoi angamba khonaduna lakchaba.
Yahoo is shutting down 7 products including its mobile app for BlackBerry smartphones. The product shutdowns, which Yahoo announced on its official company blog on Friday, are part of what the company said are regular efforts to evaluate and review its product lineup. Yahoo said its app for BlackBerry smartphones would no longer be available for download or supported by Yahoo as of April 1st. Yahoo also said that on April 1st it will stop supporting Yahoo avatars, the cartoon-like digital characters that consumers create to depict them on web services such as Yahoo Instant Messenger and Facebook. Consumers who want to continue using their avatar on Yahoo's online services must download the avatar and then re-upload the information to their personalized Yahoo profile. The other Yahoo products set to be terminated include Yahoo App Search, Yahoo Sports IQ, Yahoo Clues, the Yahoo Message Boards website, and the Yahoo Updates API. And now a look at the top stories at this hour. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur commits yet another blunder. Class 12 students given question papers with answers printed on them. Thanks for watching ISTV News and do stay tuned.